and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me in my mini Glam Girl planner. Now let me introduce you to this planner, or reintroduce you to this planner. I nicknamed this planner Thickums because she is a chunky mini. I currently have 3 planners Franken-planned in here. So the first one, of course, is the Glam Girl Mini. The second is the Budget Mini. And third and last but not least is the Mini Fitness Planner. I have them all in here on 2-inch expander rings, and I do believe these rings are from ARC at Staples. So Miss Thickums here travels with me in my purse, and I typically mirror the classic size planner. So my classic size catch-all planner is where I mirror the activities in the Glam Girl piece. My budget, which is the trendsetter, is mirrored here in this one, and then the fitness is just the fitness. I don't have a classic size fitness. All right, let's jump right in. So this week we are going to plan January 22nd through January 28th. So now this is gold in here, so even though this sticker would have been perfect, it is rose gold. So it doesn't really quite work, but it's okay. I'm sure we will find something that works. All right. Look at this. Get your happy on. That's a nice one. Alrighty. And Wednesdays is typically a day that is heavy with plans for me. Okay. So that is going to be the sticker that we feed off of. As I'm looking at this whole setup, I am thinking that I'm probably not going to use this washi tape. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Glam Girl washi because it's thin and it may work a little better for me. So when we get to that point, I'll grab it out if I decide to use it. Okay, so now that we're not using that, let's see. We have this cute little box sticker here. Let's set that, how about right here? And then how about layering another color sticker? Overlap it here. Okay, it's a little crooked. Okay, all right. So we're gonna come here and put this here. And then we're gonna find a teal to stick there. Oh, here, what about this little flag? All right. So we will put the to-do, let's put it right here, where it kind of overlaps this just a little bit here, and that brings a little bit of teal here. Okay, so to the weekend. Let's see what we want to do for the weekend. You know what? I think this has all of our colors, even though it's not specifically a weekend sticker. I think it will fit here and tie in nicely. It says, do not forget to sparkle and shine. Yes. All right. So for Friday, I'm going to use a checklist on Friday, and I'm going to try to reverse what we did on the other side. So let's take the teal to-do sticker, and let's start it right here. I want to make sure it's not going down, covering up the 27. Let's bring it all the way to the top here. And then I'm going to find us a hot pink to do And it won't be a, oh, that's really crooked. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but come on. Let's get it a little bit straighter than that. Okay. All right. I saw some, let's hit it with a remember sticker. Okay. Really like this top 3 for Saturday. And it's got the black, it's got the teal, but is it too much black? I don't think so. I like how this looks. We'll put this here. Let's do this way. Okay. That'll be my bullet point here. Covered up, we know we need a little white out. So let's go ahead and grab this so that we cover that up. Put the little pocketbook here and maybe some other form of a checklist. Got the light pink. Little checklist here. Let's do a teal and a black. And we're gonna find a to-do. Let's just do 2. We'll find a black to-do. All right, there's a to-do sticker to there. There's the chores to there. I'm pretty satisfied, actually. I really don't feel like I need any washi, so I'm not gonna overpower it. This is my spread in my mini happy planner, Glam Girl. I will put in my plans to mirror my catch-all planner once I get that done, and I won't be doing those plans until at least 2 days from now. So what are you using, or what capacity are you using your mini happy planners for? Do you have a chunky mini? I would love to see those pictures. So thank you so much for watching this plan with me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification so you'll be updated when I post new videos. And also like this video. And then if you haven't already done so, look for my page on Instagram at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. Other than that, have an awesome week, and we'll see you next week. Ciao, bellas.